How to see recently viewed apps on my iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on the bottom of the screen and swipe up. You can now view all the open applications on your phone. Swipe to view and explore all the app previews. Alternatively, open up the Settings app. Scroll down and go to Screen Time. On this page, tap on See All App and Website Activity. In the Day section, scroll down and tap on Show More as shown. You can now view your most used apps from here along with their screen time. After that, tap on Show Categories. Here, you can find out which categories take up the most time. Following these steps, you can easily see recently viewed apps on my iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.